Hi everyone, my name is Tim Sawyer. I'm from Track and Trace, and this is just a quick overview of the new function within MobileREX called Stock Adjustment. So just before we go into Stock Adjustment function, it's probably worth just checking our local settings and go up to MobileREX Setup and just making sure that our device has been set for the outlet. So right now we are going to be scanning within the AU web outlet, and I can see at the very top that has been chosen. And once we've set our device outlet, if you haven't already, please set it, and then go back to the main menu, and we can start on stock adjustment. Once we're into this page, we enter our staff code, user code, which needs to be set within MobileREX or Retail Express. And then just confirm again the outlet that we're going to be scanning within and proceed. And now we're ready to scan any stock adjustments. So if now you can see the keyboard is coming up. We don't want that around. Okay, so we can scan some barcodes or some SKUs and make some adjustments. So let's scan an item. And there's our first one, and we can see there's 370 on hand. And we're going to make an adjustment. So we're only seeing 365. So we can just hit the minus button. I thought we were going to be a minus or a plus, so I'm going to hit that 5 times. And then we can say, give it a reason. Don't forget that your reasons are now in the comments section. Okay, so some people can make a barcode against those reasons. That could be a lot easier than actually typing it in. And a future edition that we'll put out, a version, we'll have a look up where you can just select what reason suits the adjustment. So for this one, I'm just going to say lost. And there's, like, you can see a padlock there. We can lock that down. We've got a number that we know are lost. It just makes it easy rather than have to retype it in. I'll just leave that open for the moment, and then we'll save that. And if we scan another item, and it's saying 270. This time there's a surplus of 5, so it's 275 there. So we're going to go plus, and this could be just a return. And we'll save that. And we now have 2 adjustments. So with those pending adjustments, what we're going to be doing now is we're going to send it back into Retail Express. So we'll select Send to Rex. Are you sure you wish to send all adjustments to Retail Express system? You go yes. Adjustments have been sent back successfully. Now this could take sometimes up to 30 seconds, just depending on your network and also Retail Express, but this was quite quick. And now we've sent those adjustments back into Retail Express. I hope that was clear. Thank you very much for your time. Tim from Track and Trace.